Guess what, Andy Chapman?
What's that, Melissa Chapman?
It's raining again in Mexico.
Oh, what a surprise.
And it gets better. Not only is it raining this time, it's coming thunderstorms. And we feel sad for this bunch right here, because they're having a wedding. Oh, there's the thunder. They're having a wedding, and they're handing out towels because it's raining. And there was their reception over here, where the tables are, but they've already pulled in all the white tablecloth. So now, oh, they're married. Woo! And we'll watch it rain. Hasta luego.